Hello guys, I am Somojos, Security Analyst in Indian Cybersecurity Solutions. Here I am demonstrating the Nmap, the uses of Nmap and how to find out vulnerabilities by using Nmap. So Nmap is a network mapper and it is a network discovery and security auditing tool. It is known for its simple and easy to remember flags that provide powerful scanning options. So, and what is the widely used Nmap? Where is the Nmap is widely used in open ports and which services running on that ports. We can discover services that is running on that ports, and also the which is what are the versions is running on that on the services. We can gauge the operating system running on the target machine. We can get the accurate packet routes till the target machine, and we also monitor the hosts. Okay, now we will practically demonstrate how to scan by using the Nmap. Now we will go to the Kali Linux machine, and this is the pen testing OS Kali Linux, and we will demonstrate our scanning and finding vulnerabilities by using the Windows XP. So here it is the command prompt of Windows XP, and I have find out the IP of Windows XP, and the IP of Windows XP is 192.168.0.108. Now I am opening the Kali Linux, and this is the terminal of Kali Linux, and here if I want to find out the running to the scan of XP IP, then I will write it in map space dash SV for person scan, then dash O for OS detection, dash PN is for no ping option, and now the IP of Windows XP 192.168.0 dot 108. Okay, now I'm hitting the enter. Now the Nmap has started its scanning. It will take some time to complete its scan. It has started its scan and showing the service scan timing. It is also showing the one undergoing scan. Now the scan has been completed. Now we can see that there is the not shown 996 closed port. That means the 996 ports are closed in the victim system, and these four are the open port in XP's system, and these are the 135. The TCP protocol is running. State open MS RPC service is running. 139 open port. 4445 is another open port, and 3389 or another open port. All the TCP protocols are running on that ports. Again, all these are the services that are running on that open ports. Now we will find out how to scan any port. If I suppose if I want to find out the if I want to scan a single port of port number, suppose 443 on that IP. Now the syntax is dash p space and the port name 443. Nmap started his port scanning. Now this has been shown the scan report for 192.168.0.108. Host is up and port the 443 is the TCP running. State is closed. It is showing that the port 443 is closed and service is running on that port HTTPS. Okay. Now if I want to find out the vulnerability, if I scan the vulnerabilities, if I start the vulnerability scanning method on that IP by using the Nmap, then the syntax will be, I am clearing it now, the syntax will be Nmap space dash SV for version scan, then OS detection, then no ping command, then the vulnerability scanning script will be dash dash script vuln, then the IP of that victim system, then the hit enter. And the Nmap has started its script writing to find out the vulnerability. Now it has been completed and it is showing the output of the scan report. This is a pre-scan showing script results, broadcast by DOS, discovered hosts. Hosts are all up showing, not vulnerable. It is showing that now it has been completed. Really, 99.81% has been completed. Just to take the scan report. Now the vulnerability scan has been completed. Now we can see here that these, first of all, these are the open port scan report. Okay, and then the vulnerability scan report is here. We can see that host script results. This is the this vulnerability scan NT access denied is showing. Now the this is the some SMB MS08067 and it is showing that vulnerable. So this is a vulnerability scanning MS08067 Microsoft 2008-67 patch, that this vulnerability is found in the SMB service of Microsoft and it is showing the Microsoft Windows system vulnerable to remote code execution. So we can easily execute any code on that victim side because there is a vulnerability of remote code execution. Okay, and then another vulnerability is showing also here, that is MS17010. This is also vulnerable service that is running on the SMB service of Microsoft, and it is also remote code execution vulnerability in Microsoft SMB version 1 servers. And this is the risk factor high, it is showing. Okay, this is also a remote code execution vulnerability. So by such way we can find out the vulnerability in any application by using the Nmap scan. Okay, that's all.